Hey everybody, so I have a Misfit box and it's heavy, so you can see it right here. See, Misfits. And I'm going to put it down and we are gonna see what we got this time in our Misfit box, Misfit market. So I hope you all are doing well. I have been making Easter candy. You guys want to see some of it? So I've got this packaged up to ship, but I've been making oodles of candies, chocolates. I don't know if you can see that. So I've been hand painting them and it's been taking me days. There's a bunny. And here's a moose. And another egg. So I colored white chocolate and I hand painted all of these candies. Now I got to get these back in there because I don't want them to break. Here's a fish. They're from my nephew in California. And I wanted to make sure that I got it all done and shipped out, and it gets there by Easter, and there's a ton more, so I want him to have a wonderful Easter, and everybody's struggling, you know, so I thought this could help out my brother. I already had the chocolate from when I bought all that chocolate before Christmas, so I went ahead and did that. And I made chocolate covered marshmallows and chocolate covered Teddy Grahams and animal crackers and white chocolate and milk chocolate. He does not like dark chocolate. So right on top is asparagus, so I hope he likes this candy. And then I got this French loaf, and these are shelf-stable breads. They're shelf stable for months, and you just bake it when you're ready to eat it. So I got two to try. I got this one, and I think the other one is a sourdough. I got some Fruit Loop hearts, and I want to thank the lady that made the order off my link on my last Misfit video, or whichever one she watched. It helped me get this, so I was able to get things I wasn't going to order this time. I got some tomatoes, got some Epic Everything bagels. And these are the heirloom medley cherry tomatoes. I got some zucchini, a cucumber, and to help you lengthen the life of your veggies, be it from the grocery store or even here, wash them in vinegar before you put them in the refrigerator, because even this stuff will go quickly. I got a bag of blood oranges. It doesn't say blood oranges on there anywhere, but that's what I ordered. So I got some blood oranges. Haven't had any fresh fruit in a long time, so I'm looking forward to that. Lost a tomato. I got some mini bell peppers because I made some hummus, and I'm not seeing my other loaf of bread. These are some olives for a penny. This was my penny purchase. I didn't know they were so tiny. And this is some Bragg's vinegar. My husband drinks this in lemon juice. And we haven't been able to find it at the grocery store, so they had it. So I got him a bottle of that. I can't stand the smell of his concoction of lemon juice and vinegar. Oh, I think these are my eggs. Yep, these are eggs and they appear to be all intact. That's amazing. They come in this cardboard box. I got him some yogurt because we haven't been able to find him yogurt either. We got some half and half. I got some pork chops. These are the best pork chops, these Neiman Ranch. I got him some lunch meat for sandwiches. I got some chorizo for his breakfast that I make for the week. And I got him some ham so when we do homemade pizza, because can't afford pizza. So that is my Misfit haul. I need to see where my other loaf of bread is. And if you ever have any problems, like any of your food is bad or damaged, broken eggs, whatever the issues are, go to your order page and click the items. You know, it'll report a problem or something like that, and it'll have the items, and they take care of it, no questions asked. So, and refund the money. So if there's ever a problem, if you try this, I'll put the link down below. I am not affiliated. If you order, you'll get the link too to share with your friends. So you can save $15 on your first order if you want to try it. I love their French or sourdough breads and stuff like that. So in the eggs, they're free range, organic, and none are broke. So anyways, I'll put that link in there if you want to try Misfit Market. I'm going to put this all away because I got to throw some turkey in the canner. And I will see you all soon. I'm sorry I haven't posted. I just really wanted to get all that candy made, and it took me days to get that done, but I'm finished. And now I can get back to business as usual. So I hope you all are doing well. I know we're all struggling now, and that $15 come in handy to get some produce. And you have to order 30 to get it shipped, so you can get a box for 15 instead of 30. And anyways, I know we're all struggling, so my channel has some frugal friendly recipes on it. I've been posting a lot of those the last year or so. Prepper Pantry or SHTF meals using your home canned, or you can use your store-bought canned meats and stuff, just the same as home canned meat, so just switch out the item. And yeah, we'll get through, and I will see you all soon. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and you know, buy what you can when you can, and just add it to the pantry, you know. So anyways, take care everybody.